cities into a snowstorm.
Yeah, well, I mean, where we're heading right now.
Heading downtown, it's getting pretty bad down here.
We're pushing 50 barely. It's so windy.
It's so windy out there. Gary, down at Park Point, down by that where the roads are, they're full of sand.
Wow.
The parking lot down, Johnny and Marky went down with Roosevelt. The houses are buried in sand like that.
Yeah, we got a winter storm warning, 6 to 10 inches of snow. This is the beginning of it, Stan.
Oh yeah.
We got high winds right now, gusting to over 30 miles an hour.
And I hope the Chevy don't go hit a snowbank.
Yeah.
We get stuck in it here.
Oh,
you got enough gas.
There's ice hitting the windshield. I don't know if you can hear it. There's the ice.
Ice hitting the windshield.
Yeah, it's flying at the windshield.
We just seen that black bear guy just came by. I'm gonna kick his ass.
So we'll keep videotaping once it changes conditions here. Okay?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Providing people.
Well, tell them what we just seen.
Yeah, we seen that tree by Big Gary's house that just went.
Right in the road.
Big fucking ass tree.
Yeah, the wind blew it down, knocked down. We got the wind out here blowing down trees and shit.
That tree was big, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's what it looked like what happened. Still sleeping out there.
Boy, look at that sky. Oh, we're gonna get a bad snowstorm.
We're up by Thompsonville right now, and we'll keep videotaping, stuff that's going on. So.
Do what they say they
See that, Gary? See that Snow Spirit Mountain? It's gonna look like that. It's gonna look like that over there.
Yeah.
Here's how the experiment.
Oh, that sandstone hill. Oh shit.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Yeah, now we're by Black Bear Casino.
By Black Bear Casino. Look at that.
And it's just raining all lately, isn't it?
Yeah.
No, it's not ice anymore. We got really high winds.
Look at how dark the sky is over there.
You feel that? The truck is just jerked by the wind. And let's see, south of us looks pretty much the same. East of us, the sky's pretty dark. And then it's debris, a little bit of debris, a little dirt in the air.
Support for NPR from
Yeah, it's been a bad one tonight on the way back.
So next time the conditions change, we'll be back on here. So we'll be back.
We'll be back.
From 2 to 6 inches of snow possible around the St. Cloud, Brainerd, and Bemidji area. Up to a foot of snow possible on the Iron Range by tomorrow. Lows tonight from 25 to 30 degrees with highs tomorrow 35 to 40. In Duluth, a cloudy sky, 36 degrees, mostly cloudy in International Falls, 47. Some light snow falling in St. Cloud right now, 34 degrees. Light rain in Rochester, 41. And in the Twin Cities, we have rain, 39 degrees. 10 minutes before 6 o'clock.
Well, that's all we got right now, so we're still under a winter storm warning around here. Well, where did we just pass?
Barnum. The lake's not open yet over there. It's tall.
Yeah, it's raining heavier now.
It's heavier down here now.
It's coming down.
Just wait till on the way back where we get a lot of snow. Pray we don't drive in a fucking ditch.
Yeah, I'm still going. I've been going 70 ever since I left Proctor, so I haven't slowed down any. Still pretty damn windy, but not quite as bad as it's been back towards Duluth.
Today, residents
It's gonna be like an ice skating rink down at Proctor on the way back tonight.
Yeah.
We got real slow because that freezing rain.
Alright, we'll be back.
We'll be back.
Down with the changing conditions, so we'll be back.
We'll be back. Bye-bye. Look here, man. Chevy's taking a pee. And I'm going to stick Gary out there so you can pee all over the highway. Take some Hennessy. Yeah, I'll get him a couple quarts of Hennessy and I'll make him piss off real bad. Sell Hennessy all over the highway. That's when they're reading all real good.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier than what we just had on showed on the tape. Now I got the windshield wipers
going 100 miles an hour.
Yep. The wind's really blowing again.
Just pray the windshield wipers don't switch.
Yeah. They have it on high speed now. It's really raining hard, so we must be moving into thicker, more precipitation. So this ain't snow band. We probably won't run into it until we head back north when it gets colder.
Pray we don't go in a ditch with the Chevrolet. We have to get that shovel. Well, Gary's got a shovel. Well, Gary will start digging his back wheels on that shovel and go, snap! So we'll have to run the Blackberry and get the Blackberry van, the bus, to pull his Chevrolet out.
We'll be back to show you more when it changes again, because it keeps, every time it changes I put the video on, so we'll be back. Right?
Yeah, we'll be back. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's really raining out here, man. It's pouring out here. I'm hoping this shit don't turn into freezing rain.
Yeah, it's super heavy rain. A lot heavier than before, and I had to slow it down to 65. And the wind is blowing from the east. So, yeah, we're almost Sandstone. We're probably about 6-7 miles away north of Sandstone. That's where we're located at here on the
we're going down the hill, Gary. So we gotta go up. I hope that's not icy. I wonder how many accidents we're gonna see tonight here on the way back.
So we're at mile marker 199. Alright.
Okay, that's where that bridge is. Okay, that's the top of the Sandstone hill right there.
Yeah. So we'll be back to let them know about the changing weather again. Every time we get on here, it's changing. Now it's extremely heavy rain now. Probably a cold rain. So
we're gonna put some soap on your truck and let it wash off. Yeah, we're gonna wash the Chevrolet in the rain. Put some soap on it, let it go.
So we'll be back because I don't know about changing conditions, alright?
Okay, bye-bye.
We'll be back.
I'll be back. Snow and rain on there, don't you? Get a big drop like that, that's snow.
Yeah, we're about a couple miles away from where we last just talked. Now we got a rain and snow mix. A little bit of snow, big flakes hitting the windshield.
Yeah.
So it's changing. It's coming down pretty good. You can see in the windshield. I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
Yeah, I can see it on the windshield and everything.
Uh-oh, now it's turning into sleet now. Almost all sleet and rain. You can hear it tapping on the... Now it's starting to get on the road now. Oh, she's coming down. I slowed down to just under 60 now.
That's right by Sandstone.
Yeah. By the exit 195.
That's the last time we turned up that way. Remember last time?
And sleet, ice, and sleet, snow and rain now coming down, and it's sleet.
I'm not putting my hand out there.
So we went from sleet and ice to light rain to moderate rain to heavy rain to now to snow and rain now to sleet and rain and snow. So we got a mixture out here.
The highway.
Yeah, you can see the tracks on the highway there on the camera there. So
we'll be back.
Their hope is that if and when
on the camera there.
the legislature will miles in
Yes.
general.
So we'll be back and let them know.
Uses an existing fund.
See, now you can see all this.
Oh, you see on your hood here? Watch on the hood when they hit
If the House ends up adopting the Senate version,
Look at
early
You
childhood
know, it is snowing a lot more now.
$30 to $40 million a
Sticking
year
on the highway.
in interstate funding. At the Capitol Line March in Costi,
I've slowed down to 55.
A huge piece of South Minneapolis real estate change clearance.
You wonder how bad that Highway 35 is going to be.
Property on Lake Street in South Minneapolis.
Hope we don't slide into a guardrail.
Ray Harris and his partners.
Yeah, can you notice here? Look at your lights.
Preserve the building and fill it.
Yeah, right now it's holy Christ. Unbelievable.
Jerry, we got enough equipment. It's coming down.
It's coming down.
Oh, now look at them cars. They're driving slow. Look at.
Oh yeah, they are.
It's icy.
Mostly snow right now.
Yeah. Once you get into Minneapolis, you're going to see how bad it's going to be. This shit's sticking right on the highway.
The hard instances we've got thousands of people that are coming into that facility every day. They're already parking into our residential area, and that creates a problem for the people
Yeah,
who live in
traffic's
that
moving real slow. I'm down to 45. Down 45 miles an hour now.
Officials say the state will supply $5 million to clean up what's asbestos in the Sears building. The officials say Harris wants to
Mostly snow.
Why don't you stick to the sides? See the sides here?
Yeah.
On the roads, look at on the roads.
Oh, Christ.
That's fucking snow. It's freezing rain.
It's a little bit of everything. It's a mixture.
It's going to be icy too.
It's getting icy right now. I'm going to slow it down. Get hold of somebody on the CB. Yeah, I'll do it. Go ahead, Gary.
I'll let my nephew, the good driver, do it. Oh, I might get upset.
Huh?
I might get upset and jump out of the truck.
Now you can hear that on hitting the windshield pretty good, can't ya?
See that traffic on this side here? They're slowing down. Oh, Gary, it's icy, ain't it?
Yeah. It's icy.
Come on, Chevy. You can do good, Chevy. I still love a Chevy. Let's go. Oh. Why is this Gary? About 35W around that corner.
Yeah.
You're going to see a lot of accidents smashing up tonight. I got it.
Get a hold of somebody on the CB here.
Find out what kind of weather we're having out here. That guy's driving slow, Gary. Look at it.
Alright, we'll be back to let them know if anything changes, but yeah, we'll let them know, okay?
Oh, this fucker's coming. This fucker.
Well, it's about all snow, and we're only 7 miles north of Hinckley traffic.
He's driving slow.
Yeah, and I'm gonna just slow it way down here. Snow's
Look at that guy.
The road's
fuck you too.
The road's snow covered, and we got heavy snow coming down 7 miles north of Hinckley. Got heavy snow coming down, and it's only 6:30.
It's only 6:30. On my watch it says 6:30. Look at this.
So I wonder if they'll end up changing the forecast. Oh, somebody's in the ditch.
Said somebody's in the ditch.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are.
We'll keep it rolling. We'll keep it rolling.
That guy went. Look at that guy stopping. He went right in the ditch, Gary. He's right in the ditch.
Got an accident up ahead. Oh wait. We got 2 cars in the ditch. Right ahead. 2 cars. Oh. This car ahead of us is losing control. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
It is Tuesday, March 31st. I'm David Brancaccio. Here's what's happening in business and the world. The Federal Reserve decided not to raise...
Oh yeah, they're okay, they're okay.
Later in the year,
Are you okay?
Oh Christ, we got a...
vehicles spinning off benefits from the U.S. economy, lower inflation.
Oh shit, there's 2 cars in the ditch down there.
Okay, that car... She was alright. She just hit the shoulder. She's alright. It's alright, bud. Okay, Stan. Tell him that this is fun.
This is fun, man. Just see that car, Gary?
I got it on video. Okay, we got about 4 cars
In the ditch.
No. We got about 3 or 4 cars
On the side.
on the shoulder, and we got 1 car way off in the ditch.
See how it's okay. Boy,
Yeah, they're okay. They're just gonna push them out. Somebody better call an ambulance. There's no squads or nothing here. Don't say nothing, Stan. Just let them.
I'm just looking here.
All right.
Oh, he rolled it, Gary.
Did he?
It's tipped over. The van.
Oh yeah, somebody's bound to be hurt.
Well, that guy really got it, boy.
Is there somebody in there trapped?
Yeah, somebody in there trapped.
Oh.
See that lady, Gary? She was fucking spinning out. We're driving slow, man. Fuck this shit.
I got that on video.
See that, Gary? That fucking lady, she goes, "Brrr," she loses control. She's right behind us here, so we're okay.
Okay. I'm going about 25 miles an hour.
Good Chevrolet, you're doing good, baby. At least you're not spinning out. You know what? It was a Raider.
Was it?
Yeah, the fucking just rolled. The fucking must have been going like a bat out of hell. They just rolled it over on the top. These fucking people don't know better. They gotta drive slow, man.
Well, it's 6:30.
You know what, Grandma? You know what Grandma's gonna give me here?
What?
She's gonna give me her cross.
Really? It's 6:33 now into this snowstorm, and
Oh, that lady's right behind us. Oh fuck! Well, this shit's getting bad.
yeah, the car that spun out right in front of us she's behind us now. She's cruising along right behind me. We'll take care of that car. We'll take care of you.
Chevrolet, you're doing good. I love you, Chevrolet. You're a good Chevrolet. I'll buy you a quart of oil later.
Well,
Quart of Hennessy. I'm pouring you a gas tank. See that, Gary? See that girl, man? She's fucking kicking her down.
I'm gonna go on channel 9 on the CB. Breaker 9, break 9, then for emergency. I suppose I should, in case they don't have help. Breaker 9.
Oh, this guy's gonna spin out here. He's gonna spin out here. Look at him. He's starting to spin out. That means right.
Breaker 19. Wow, 119. There's nobody out there.
Oh, now hope this fucker ain't gonna smash into us. That fucking stupid son of a bitch. Look at that. He's gonna spin out.
Well, we'll get back in case of any other event here, okay?
Gary, this Chevrolet did good. Ah, fucker's spinning out here. Yeah, look at that. See his tracks? We're driving that lady's driving out. I hope she's okay. She's upset, Gary.
My car.
She's right behind us. She's gonna follow Chevrolet, Gary. Chevrolet says, "Come on, follow me, honey."
That looked like what kind of car was that? A brand new Ford Taurus?
No, that was a big Oldsmobile.
Was it?
I think she kicked it down too much.
I thought we were gonna smash into her. If we would have hit her, if she would have went to spun off to the shoulder, we would have hit her. All right, we'll be back. See.
We'll be back.
That's all right. I'm not.
We're not pushing. We're not pushing.
There's a car out in the ditch right there. A couple people are out standing by. Stand lean back to your head.
Oh, Gary, look down there.
Oh, another one right there. One right there.
another one in the fucking ditch down there.
Holy Christ.
I fucking,
There's a couple people sitting in it.
that Ford got smashed up here.
Did it?
Yeah. Yes, they were kicking ass, I guess. Let's see an accident left and right here, buddy. All right, that's cool.
Damn. I just turned on the camera and then...
There we got one upside down over here on the south side.
South side, where's that, Gary?
What was that again?
The 188.5. We got a 4-wheeler upside down.
Four-wheeler. Must be on this side.
188.5.
Okay, that...
Southbound.
10-4, I seen that, 10-4.
I'm glad we're driving slow, Gary.
Yeah.
Oh, we're almost in Heatley anyways. Forgot, we gonna stop there or what?
Oh, yeah.
I gotta take a pee because I'm getting nervous here, man. A little bit shaky, you know?
Yeah.
Need some marijuana. Not marijuana, I need some Hennessy instead.
We've seen one... how many cars? How many vehicles does he go?
One was in the ditch.
5 in the ditch.
Yeah, 5 in the ditch.
And it's just getting worse. We got heavy snow coming down. You can't even see not even a half a mile in front of you. We got heavy snow.
Well, these cars are cruising slow, Gary. Look at.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go even slower, I think.
You know what? Somebody already kissed the guardrail over here
Really?
once already. Oh, she's icy here.
I'm a trained salesman.
I don't even have my goddamn foot on the gas. I'm coasting down this damn hill, man.
Oh, that lady, man, she stopped in Hinkley. Yeah, everybody's getting nervous around here, man. I am too a little bit. I'm going.
That's all right. Going 25 miles an hour, we can. There's no way we can.
There's no way we're
nothing.
Not to kick it down.
This is how fast I drive around Duluth when there's snow. So. But the roads are completely snow covered. Very, very, very bad, poor condition, driving conditions. We're rolling this sucker. What an idiot! God.
I hope you smash up. We're not gonna. I bet you on 35W there's gonna be a lot of total fuck. Whoa, shit. Hope that fucking old jackknife.
That's the guy that was just talking to. All right, we'll be back.
We'll be back.
Oh, another one right off the exit. Wow.
Yeah, I know.
Windshield was smashed out.
Yeah. Oh, you're spinning, dude. That's right up here.
You went in there real hard. Oh, we got him up here southbound.
We got a lady just up ahead of us. She just went in the ditch and she hit the median and we just heard it on the CV. She's hunched over the steering wheel. She went down pretty hard, so we'll be seeing that here in a little bit. I think they said 171 marker. Which one is that? That marker right there. It's 179, so about 8 miles ahead of us.
Well, I wonder if she was spinning out here and she hit the median.
I guess she's
Hey, you northbound is going to hit it pretty good from about the 175 to the 190.
hunched over the steering wheel, so
It's a steering wheel probably hit her.
well, 8 miles we should run into it.
She must have been going along. I bet your car's like this.
Well, we'll record once we get up to that marker, so we'll be right back.
I don't know if she's hurt or not. I seen her in the car. She went in the ditch real hard, and she kind of traffic behind you.
Must be up there.
South of the 171. South of the 171, about a half a mile. A little red car.
Under the red
Yeah, I
car.
got a cell phone on, see if I can get him.
She must have hit, boy, she must have hit. She must have hit pretty hard. It's in the ditch.
Hey, are you with the lady right now? Okay, well, the snow's let up a little. The road's just turning wet now, and we're almost to where that little red car is slammed into the ditch up here. She's leaning over the steering wheel. They don't know if she's hurt. I guess trucker called an ambulance or 911. I guess the troopers and probably an ambulance are on their way, which is right up ahead here.
Looks like somebody stopped right there. Right there. Medium.
So I'm going 55 now, amazingly. So
Right up ahead.
I don't know if that's it.
Somebody stalled right there.
Yeah, so the road's just wet. It's just snowing lightly now. It should be, oh, okay, there's right there. There's a car right there.
Yeah, that must probably, it's probably a little red one, bet you. She said she hit pretty hard. Is that a car? Or
Yep, it's a car right in the ditch. Facing right there, right there, right there, right there. It's a little red car.
That's a girl, she's right, she buried right now.
That trucker did not stay with her. I can't believe it. She's sitting there.
She got the car running and she had the windshield wipers going on. She's not
Probably hurt. I don't know why that guy didn't just stop and
jump off the parking semi inside and jump off.
well, we'll be back. Yeah, now we're just past, 5 miles past North Branch, and it is snowing extremely heavy. I'm having a hard time seeing the road here. I think my headlights covered up with fucking snow. It's a goddamn semi truck.
Yeah, it looks like your headlights are covered with snow.
My front, my left, one on my side is covered with shit.
Come on back here, somebody.
So we got, the roads ain't that bad, but you can't even see the road, so.
That's why we're slowing down.
As you can see in the camera, I don't know if you can even see in the camera at all.
Oh, fuck.
So I decided to take the
what we get. Alright, we'll be back. Yeah, we got
What was it like for you as a woman?
huge
Was it different
snowflakes
from the experience?
slapping against the windshield now.
Well, yes and
Some
no.
semi splashed on Gary's headlights.
We're almost Forest Lake, about a mile away. Looks like the snow is going to probably turn to rain because you can tell it's just wet and sloppy snow. You can tell.
Let's watch on Gary's.
Those are some big snowflakes.
You have to stay in company of other women. You cannot, a woman alone cannot check into the hotel by herself. And you also.
All right, we'll be back. No,
This is fresh air. I'm Terry Close.
we're in almost pulling into the cities here. a little late. Snow is still coming down pretty heavy. Big flakes still. They're listening to the weather radio, and they said that it's going to be raining mostly down here. Well, it doesn't look like that.
Tell me what's happening in Duluth. High winds are kicking up.
That's what we heard in Duluth. Winds 32 miles an hour, gusts to 48 miles an hour, which is unbelievable.
Well, my window doesn't pop out of my room.
And we're down here. The road is starting to get snow on it. I'm slowing down. I'm having a hard time seeing.
It's on for the new season. It's called, they say it's spring.
But just east of here in Wisconsin, they have a flood warning for the Bad River. The Bad River is going to flood tonight.
A lot of houses going to be in the water.
In the East Metro area, they're receiving 1.5 inches per hour of not snow, rain. So they said they're going to have a lot of flooded out roads. And then for the West Metro, just snow and rain, changing all snow. I guess there's a car in the ditch right there, right over here, Stan, right here on the left.
Oh, look at that car right in the water. Anybody in there?
I think they're all right.
Yeah, if they would have hit that water, man, they would have been drowned.
Yeah.
The way these fucking idiots drive here, they want to go fast. Let them go fast. They smash up. They hit a guardrail. What happened if a car jumped up there, Gary, and hit that?
Oh, that'd be hell. But anyways, there's a band of snow probably cutting through half of Minnesota from around St. Cloud, around over towards you guys just see that? Did you guys just see that?
Oh, fuck you, you cocksucker. Come on back here. Stop it right here. We're going to fight.
Oh, my God. I was totally blinded. But anyways, the band of snow from Hickley all stretched towards St. Cloud there. They're receiving 2 to 3 to 4, even up to 4 inches per hour, they said. That's a lot of snow. That's what they just said on the radio. So we'll get back. We'll get back with you.
I bet you the kids won't have no school tomorrow.
Yeah, well, we're in the cities now. It is rain. A few flakes in there. Mostly rain. The result. Roads are just wet. There's no snow on the ground at all. None.
Nope, not on the ground at all, not out here.
So, a lot different.
Yeah, but we're going to be running into a big storm on the way back to Duluth.
Yes, we are. We're going to be videotaping it. We're going to show everybody watching this video how bad it's going to be once we head back up towards north there through the middle of the storm. Well, not necessarily the middle yet, but
this depends if you can get down my road tonight.
Yeah.
Hope there's no trees knocked down.
It's just rain down here.
All cars, they got a few.
The car's got a layer of snow on them, but the ground ain't got no snow on it.
No, you don't see no snow at all. See, that's funny, man. You got this tiny bit down here. What the fuck?
That's it. All right. We'll be back.
We'll be back. Bye-bye.
Well, here's an odd sight. Nothing beating on the windshield. Well, that's because we're inside the bank.
We're inside a nice warm bank.
Now we're gonna go back out to
the slushy shit.
Try to make our way back the halfway point.
Now we gotta go to Hinkley, and we gotta go to Sandstone and Moose Lake, and then
there's the rain.
And we're done down there. Oh man, now I can relax. It didn't take me long to unload the truck, did it, Gary? Oh, I fucking go fast. Well, that truck must get from Duluth or something.
We'll be back. Well, we're almost to Forest Lake. It's rain and snow mix. The roads are just wet. It's been like that left the cities. So we're anticipating running into some bad weather pretty soon here.
On the way back to Duluth. Bad weather down here, and I bet you about kind of our big heat bust down on our house.
Yeah, should be alright. So we'll be back.
We'll be back. Bye-bye.
When weather changes, we'll be back.
But here and all. Looks like right on the fucking highway.
An accident. Or it might be. Oh, it's just a tow truck, I think. Nothing big. We'll be back.
She picks on me all the time, Gareth. She goes, "You smoke too now?" I go, "Yep." She goes, "She smokes too." She's a sweetheart. Yeah. I wouldn't that be going out with her.
Join them for weekly field trips, cool crafts, exciting experiments, super special events, and more.
Wants to go down.
Oh yeah, now they're pulling that car out of the ditch.
Fun for the children, peace of mind for the parents. Call today, 557-1111.
We'll be back. Well, we got a line of traffic here behind us, snow sander. It's snowing now, and I'm almost gonna stop here, right on the freeway. Roads are pretty good.
Wait till we get down Hinkley and Sandstone.
It's gonna be an accident. I see that right now.
Yeah, somebody's gonna go down in there and go. Come on, you cocksucker, son of a bitch.
There's an idiot right there.
There's gonna be a fucking idiot. She's gonna be in the fucking ditch pretty soon. He's gonna be right in the fucking ditch and go.
We're at North Branch.
North Branch. What's after North Branch, Garrett?
Rush City.
What's after Rush City?
Pine City.
What's after Pine City?
Hinkley.
Hinkley. And what's after Hinkley? Sandstone.
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna. That's where we're gonna see. We're gonna see a lot of accidents tonight. Fucking can't believe the fucking winds are high down on Duluth. What's that fucking driving across the fucking lake?
Yeah. All right. Enough of this. We'll be back. Yeah, we're at Rush City. We're at Rush City, and it's snowing pretty heavy now. It's not sticking on the road yet, but it's coming down pretty damn hard.
Man, that's amazing. Wow, that's cool.
So pretty soon here, yeah. Now I can see it. Some parts are on the road now. Just started doing it. Yeah. Time to slow down, I guess.
I'm going to spin off.
Alright. So I'm slowing down from 70 to 50. It's snowing real hard. Look at this.
Oh, that's cool, huh, Garrett? That's pretty cool.
That's heavy snow.
Your shit truck is all full of snow.
So we'll be back. I'll tell you if it changes. Okay. Well, we're back on. A couple minutes ago we used to talk, but I just got done talking to a trucker who came from Duluth. He says once I get to mile marker 209 up here, which is a ways off, about an hour. He said that he even said we got around 50 mile an hour winds in Duluth, around that area, coming down about an inch an hour. And I think at this rate right here, it's blizzard out here right now, everybody. We got a blizzard going on here.
Yeah, we got a blizzard, Gary. Just think by your apartment. I bet you won't be able to get down by your apartment tonight. Oh, fuck that.
We'll be back to tell you how it's going, I guess. Because right now, if there was no lights, I would be totally lost. Alright, we'll be back. I know it ain't gonna change much. Just gonna get worse.
Well, I bet you my...
Oh, I'm gonna see here. How about your cell phone? How about you? How's the roads up north? I think he said it gets worse as you go.
Yeah, Gary, it's still gonna be enough. It's gonna be fucking feels like gonna be that fucking high. Sandstone Hill, bet you that's gonna be a beach. Oh, she's coming down pretty good. Yeah, she's coming down good now.
Just getting worse, everybody.
I'll be fucking busy. I'll be tomorrow.
We'll be back.
We'll be right back.
How about your cell phone? What? Yeah, how about your cell phone? How's the roads up north?
Try to get hold of him here.
How about your cell phone? You got it on?
Up there.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder why they're Cisco drivers. They don't talk. We'll get back. We'll get it on. How about your cell phone? Get it on. Damn. Yeah, how is she up north there?
He's done his shit about 200.
Oh, okay, 10-4. Yeah, you'll run out of the snow here probably in about an hour.
Yeah, we're just going down to the city tonight anyway.
Oh, 10-4. Alright, have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Take care when you get up there.
Turns to shit, he said. All these people would just happen.
What?
With that car.
Yeah, that car almost lost control on the bridge, man.
Right,
Almost
just
went
about
right in
a
front
mile
of us.
back. Little white Honda.
Yeah, it went in front of us too. Hey, that snowfall has been down here.
Well, thankfully it's snowing just lightly. It's not too bad, but right up past Sandstone, I guess the truck driver says it gets bad. So we'll be able to all see it shortly.
Chevy's spinning a little bit here.
Yeah, it's not too bad around here.
No, about once we get towards up that way, it's going to be bad.
So what happened?
Car's got his blinker lights on.
Is he in the ditch?
Probably. Maybe it's that white Honda.
Oh. All right, we'll be back.
Once you get to Duluth, man, look at this shit.
Let's go.
I'm having fun here.
All right, we just left Hinkley, and we're about a mile off from the exit. We went from light snow to pretty moderate to heavy snow again.
Roads are getting bad again.
Yep, road's starting to get snowing in again. Going 50, but I think I'm slowing right down. It's a blizzard out here again, everybody. Blizzard. Made.
End up in a fucking ditch.
Blizzard. We'll be back when we get by Sandstone. We'll check it out there. Well, we're coming up to something here.
We're coming up to something here that's probably gonna smash up.
They got their flashers on. Are they in this lane?
I don't know, Gary. Probably. I don't know. What the fuck? This guy's gonna pass us too, I bet you.
What?
He can't backing down the hill, Gary. He's backing down the hill. He can't get up the hill.
He's right in our lane and he... Oh, there's a car spun out.
Is it? Yeah, this car spun out, yeah. Just went right down in the ditch. He's right in our fucking lane, too. That car spun out. Let's see how bad that fucker is in the ditch. Yeah, he is in the fucking ditch, but good.
Holy Christ. Brand new van.
Yeah, fucking total. That car stopped right there.
I hope you can see that. Alright, we'll probably, I have no clue where we are. We're probably halfway to almost to Sandstone. It's snowing so hard and the road's getting covered. You can't even see where the hell you're fucking going. Like right now, I don't know what lane I'm in. Ain't that right?
That's right, Gary. I'm looking for you, Gary.
Alright.
Fucking somebody's come up passing us too. Shit.
We got a blizzard, everybody. There's stupid people in their cars.
Oh, he'll be spinning out here. Watch, he'll be going like this.
Look at his ass in. He's right in the middle. He's gonna lose it.
That's why we're slowing down. What gear you got to stay in there?
Third gear. We are in the midst of a blizzard right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you how much snow we got going here. Check this out, everybody. Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at this. Amazing. Unbelievable.
Oh, that van went right in the fucking ditch.
Oh, there's a train coming. We'll be back once we get there.
Trying to see where the fuck we're going.
We are having a hell of a time staying on the highway right now. The camera's on, that's what I'm telling them. This is unbelievable, people. Look at this.
Holy fuck, here, oh, that's bright.
This is unbelievable. There's a car, he's he's on the wrong side of the fucking highway. Oh my god. Oh, he's out. It's going the wrong way. Alright, here's how hard it's snowing.
Hey Gary, what's up, buddy boy? Woo, yeah. Oh.
This is how hard it's snowing.
I'm getting back in the truck.
We got a blizzard here, man.
Yeah.
It is snowing. You can't even see where you're going.
Covered.
There is the storm in Sandstone. We'll be back. Well, here's the road, everybody. It's a trail.
That's about it. It's a small trail.
That's it. We'll be back. Yeah, well, we're making our way to Moose Lake still. We just passed Willow River, almost to Sturgeon Lake. We just talked to another trucker, and they closed Highway 210 now. Highway 210 is closed, so that's, I guess, how bad it is up there. They said once you get up past Barnum, up toward by the more up there, it gets worse and worse and worse. So, what do you guys say about that?
I say that sucks.
Yeah, right now it's just blowing around a little bit, but we're not even close to Barnum yet. So, well, this is where we ended up, right?
Right here. Get your video of the bathroom too.